In this lecture, we'll see what are static methods. We can see the syntax of defining a static method here. To make any method a static method, we have to put this @static method decorator before the method. You can see that unlike instance methods and class methods, a static method does not have any special first parameter. It can have regular parameters, but the first parameter has no special significance. So when a static method is called, Python does not send the class object or the instance object as the first argument. And this is why these methods can neither access the instance object state nor the class state. So when you have to create a helper or a utility method that contains some logic related to the class, turn it into a static method. For example, in the state class, you can write a method isLeap that can be used as a helper method in other methods of the class. So if you have to make a method that needs to access instance variables, make it an instance method. If you have to make a method that needs to use only class variables and not instance variables, make it a class method. And when you need to create a method that needs to use neither instance variables nor class variables, then make it a static method. Such a method depends only on its argument values. A static method is just like a regular function, but it belongs to the class namespace. We know that the definition of a class defines a separate namespace. And when you want to group functionalities under the class namespace, you can create static methods. Static methods are like normal functions. So instead of defining a static method, you can define a module level function that is defined near the class. So if you have a single class per module or only closely related classes in a module, then you can make a module level function instead of writing a static method.